morning. I just want to say thank you to my subscribers again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hold on one second because I have to get something. I have this wonderful lady that's a member of my church. She has beautiful skin. She wears these wonderful lipsticks. And I'm still trying to figure out how to take care of myself. Back in August, my children surprised me with many things. One of the things they wanted me to do was unscramble a word. And for the life of me, I could not unscramble that word. The word was self-care. I have no children that lives with me, but I have 5 children and 7 grandchildren that show me so much love pretty much every day, and especially on my birthday. So that word self-care has now began to resonate with me, and I've started doing things for me because I don't just have to concentrate on them. And I just want to thank them for planting that seed in their mommy. Thank you for planting that seed for self-care. Today is about some products that I ordered as a result of this lady that goes to my church. Her name is Paris. And this is a new thing for me because I've never ever had a process to taking care of my skin. If my skin looks good, it's a result of my genes. The name of the skincare is, and I hope that I'm pronouncing it correctly, it's Labrie. Notice it says, a beautiful way to life. This is a part of me sticking with the word my children planted in me, self-care. So today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the products that I purchased from her. While I was at her house, we went through all these products, and not just went through them, I used it on my face. And it was such a wonderful feeling. It has aloe instead of water as the first ingredient in every skincare, hair, body, and wellness product is what it's called. I'm not going to hold you up any further. I've been talking now for over 3 minutes. Let's take a look at what I purchased. And it really is an unboxing. I have not even opened it yet. So these products are supposed to be used twice a day. My twice a day will be morning and night. That's my packing slip from Labrie. I purchased the basic set. Okay. This is a letter, a welcome letter from Labrie. This is some information about Labrie products shipped in winter months. They've sent the brochures and everything that I had received beforehand at Paris's house. This is telling me about sharing Labrie. I'll read these things later. This is a catalog. A sample of the Intense Body Butter. Okay, let's see. Make sure I got my scissor if I need it. And I don't need it right now. a sponge for my cleansing, a brochure on how to use your skincare product, this is a smooth and firm eye care gel. This is the exfoliating face and body scrub. This is the gentle moisture lotion, and this is something I really need to put into my process for taking care of my skin. Because all I've ever done is just got the nearest one to me, what I've heard somebody else talk about, and now I have all of the products from one product line. This is a gentle freshener. And after I use this for a couple of weeks or so, I'll come back and do a review. I'll also tell you exactly how I use these products, what it makes my skin feel like. This is the Gentle Cleanser by Labrie. Came in this wonderful little popcorn popper with peanuts in the box. In addition to that, I have this bag that I will put all these products in. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I look forward to using these products and sharing them with you, telling you how exactly they work. I will also share a link to the website and to Paris's website if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. If you've ever used these, please let me know. Not only that, tell me what products you use on your face. I've seen other sisters with locks that have done Get Ready With Me videos, and also what they use on there for skincare. So this is what I'll be using for skincare. Labrie Pure and Natural is a beautiful way of life. A beautiful way of life. So that's what I'll be using. And hopefully my skin can look as beautiful as Paris's does. Even though I'm older than her, I think that's going to be my measuring stick. You guys have a wonderful and blessed day. And this is a sister who loves her locks, love her family, love her friends, and love God. And our word for this year, 2020, is self-care. Now, my hair is a result of me with putting in like four braids and banding it while I was taking a shower this morning, and all I did was let the water run through it. I just wanted water in my head this morning because I love water on my head and my body, with the exception of rain. Have a wonderful day.